What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I see the camera is fogging up, so hold on a sec. Alright, so yeah, it is pretty humid tonight, so that may happen a few more times. But today is the day. We're doing the birthday meet for me. The homies at Street Elegance are hosting it. So it's at their usual spot. We should have a few extra homies show up that don't usually make it out, but we'll see if they make it or not. And shout out to Division 7. Link will be in the description below for the merch for that. Can't show the back, but I might have some footage of the shirt, the back of the shirt as well. But I'm sure we're gonna see some other homies who's wearing that merch as well. So definitely support the homies. And the link for my merch will be in the description below as well. But yeah, some of the homies are already there, so let's not hold up too much longer and let's go ahead and head on over there. Definitely want to say thanks to the homie Angelo and Division 7 and Street Elegance and Fitted Squad and all you guys who definitely wish me a happy birthday and everything. Definitely appreciate all the love and support. Finally got the last bag. I'm not sure if I think I did. It was in a short. But got the last bag. Haven't had a chance to install it. Going out of town tomorrow. So won't have time to install it until maybe next weekend. But that'll be dope. Once that's done, this side will be lower. Like, it's still pretty decent now. But this is the coilover. That's what happens when I'm fully air out with it. And this is the back side. So it'll help out a little bit. Then we're gonna adjust the camera in the front some more. Yeah, that might be about it. I definitely need to place this, but enough. Let's go ahead and head on over. Alright, so we showed up. As you see, we lost the light, but the homies showing out. And I still got a few who said they was on the way. That's clean. Whose car is that?
Oh, that's the guy with the Savage.
Gotcha. That was dope. Oh yeah. I mean, we ain't really say, but as you can see, he got the wheels back. Got the wheels back on. So, definitely in business. I'm the only one without my underglow. Oh, excuse me. Oh, you're good. I appreciate you.
Go that one right here.
Look.
That one over here.
Like snaps out here too. Yeah, I'll leave a comment, let them know how it look good. Like, that looks good. I'm feeling it. Yeah. It's a fan favorite right here. You get a lot of people talking about it. So we got quite a few people coming out. This is just at the early. we gotta get the rental too. Nice and clean over there, so you can see. Yeah, looking good. But we definitely gotta get the S2K. Like I told you, we don't discriminate on Fitted Squad. How clean that is. We gotta handle. But yeah, I gotta get some cover photos and all that. So, oh, look who it is. And he ain't super late. That's what's up. Came out from Tampa on us. Okay. I think it's quite a few people in the squad who ain't even meet him yet. So, it's gonna be nice. Sheesh. And he parked like that. Oh, he got it. He was good, but he got it. Thank you.
Now, we didn't have the Spanish song about your dreams getting bigger.
So, got the official banner I got the top part as well. So we're gonna be good. I missed the first part of the song, but y'all got the point. All right, definitely had to get this right-hand drive.
Is this a 93 right-hand? What's up, big dog?
What's up? What's up? Man, look, and it's the original wheels, super low miles, first owner in the U.S. Man, it's so sick. I'm sure he's gonna comment on the video for this, so definitely hit him up if you got any questions or anything. But this is bad. Like, he's been talking about it for a little while, so I'm glad to finally see it. And we also got the homie Tampa Life came out with the new vehicle. Oh, showing love. So sick.
That thing crazy.
Came all the way from Tampa. Got 2 Tampa drivers here. Sheesh. Look at.
Wash detail kit. They got everything.
So this is a new one that showed up. The color and stance is perfect. Looking good. But he said we can look inside, so let's go ahead and do that. And he has another one, and he'll be coming out to some more of the shows. So yeah, hopefully we can get him out more often as well, since he'll be here, and get him part of the squad. Definitely let me know, as always, what car is your favorite in the comments down below. You know the drill. Alright, yeah, sorry I didn't record as much as I should have. Everybody was just showing mad love, and I was just kind of talking and chilling with people. This is pretty much us who's left. I'm gonna throw a link to his Instagram and YouTube channel down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My wife came out as well over there. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.